tonight I'm on the road again in the Jeep Comanche. I'm headed to Southern Oregon to meet up with some friends for a ladies campout. And I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to bring the Comanche because I'll show you this is what it looked like last weekend. And Trey got it, he worked really hard on it for the last 2 weekends actually and got it roadworthy, and I'm making my way about 230 miles. So far so good. We'll see if I make it the rest of the way. Just stop for fuel one more time and I should be there hopefully soon. I was so grateful that Trey got the Comanche back on the road in time for this trip. It's just so easy. It's all dialed in. It has everything that we need and easy to get to and easy to use. I just really love this rig. All the girls had a really unique setup. Some of them were just trying them for the first time.
I know they
Stuff
are.
in them because I can, yeah, I can just, I can throw them in my pack and I know where all my cords
awesome.
Yeah.
are. Like, oh,
You got a Tisa one.
Like camping or
It
VW?
does. And you made this?
Yes.
That is so cool. Thank you.
You're well, and it's warm.
oh yeah.
Cotton ball and dish soap on it because it breathes out its butt and it suffocates.
Oh,
It will back its way out.
okay.
Back out of it.
Okay. No, I know.
Wow, you're way up there. If you don't shout, I'm king of the world, we're not friends.
Details. God, you guys are so picky. She's like, they're so picky.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh,
Look at that. Use your chi.
You're like,
Look, she's gonna split with her bare hands.
Look at her go.
it's all wet.
Nice. Good job. At some point, cutting firewood turned into a little competition.
nice.
I used to split wood, cut wood for a living. So.
Cindy may have won this one. Whoa, nice.
Later.
She wants to act out.
The activities.
What sound
Staying
does
alive.
a witch's car make?
Go.
Broom, broom.
This was a ridiculous dad joke game that just had us cracking up.
How does Moses make tea? Hey, bruise it.
Country.
That was read like a YouTuber making an apology video.
Bingo!
Yeah, tonight we're making a fire.
bullet casing. Garbage pickup.
Caliber.
And not. Depending on the wood. Madrone is easier.
That face she made. I'm gonna be shit-faced after this.
Are you ready?
And Brandy made us soup, taco soup. Woo, looks good.
It's so good.
Thank you. I knew I wanted to have most of my camp packed up and ready to go for leaving early in the morning, so I mixed up a batch of overnight oats and put it in the fridge. We knew there was a chance of rain, so I used the Garmin InReach to check the weather forecast, and it said it was supposed to be clear until the next afternoon.
Yes. Legitimate question.
Yes.
Unfortunately, the rain came early, so I ate my breakfast and got ready in the tent and waited for daylight so that I could finish packing up. This process took entirely too long, so I'll spare you by speeding it up. In the future, it would be great to have a tent that's easier for one person to manage. After I finished packing up, I said my goodbyes and hit the road. I'm so grateful for this experience. Getting to spend time with such strong, like-minded women, it's a real gift.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care.
These ladies make some great YouTube content. Be sure to check out their channels. I put a link below.